really excited by my new purchase. It's an Adax electric panel heater in lava grey with Wi-Fi and control through an app. And by the looks of it, it is compatible with Google Assistant. The packaging is quite smart. It comes with a template to help mount the heater on the wall as well. So let's see what it looks like. So it looks pretty solid. It's a bit lighter than I was expecting, but still quite a nice solid feel to it. And you can see the controls at the top here, and it comes with a 3-pin power plug, which is great. So if I turn it over, you can see the mounting holes and frame at the back there. And then a quick look through the top. It's quite hollow inside, so it should mount easily. It's not too heavy either. So this is the 1000 watt version, which is suitable for rooms up to 13 square meters or so, which is roughly what this room is. So before I actually mount it on the wall, I'm going to plug it in and make sure that it works, because I don't want to end up with some holes in the walls and then not be able to use it. And then also I've read that the setup can be complicated. So you can control it manually, so I'll be doing that as well, but there is an app that needs to be downloaded, and I'll go through the setup process and actually see if it's actually complicated. Okay, so let's plug it in. So the heater is now plugged in, and you can see that the LED light has come on, and you could just about see, if I go in close, that there's a red light there which shows that the heat is warming up, and the temperature is heating up to is 20 degrees. At the moment it's not connected to Wi-Fi, so I'll be doing that next. So now I'm going to be showing you how to set this electric heater up. So first of all, click on add device. Obviously there's one that's already been set up, but I'll just go through the process of adding it and setting it up again. So if you click on add device and then click on next. And what I did initially was I used the Adax Wi-Fi option to try and configure it, and that didn't work. My unit wasn't broadcasting the local Wi-Fi SSID. So failing that, what I tried was using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and that worked straight away. So that's what I'm going to show you. So if you click on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, obviously then it goes through and the step-by-step process. So you click on next, you turn on the heater and then click on next, and then you go to your unit and you press the OK button for 4 seconds, and then the blue LED light above it, which is it's got the icon of the Wi-Fi signal, starts flashing. Once that starts flashing, you click on next, and then it would look for the heater. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to cancel, because I've already set it up effectively. I've got no other units to set up. So the other thing that I've done actually is linked my Adax account to Google Home. So now I'm able to turn my unit on and off using Google voice commands. So here is an example. So what I'm going to do is just show you how to do that. So I've just started up my Google Home app. And so again, because this is already set up, I'm just going to show you the key steps. So first of all, you go to add, and then you go to set up device. And then if it's the first device you're setting up, which was the case with me, you go to works with Google. And you then go through the list of apps. You can see that I've already installed the Adax Smart Heating app, so that's already connected. So once that's done, you'll go through a series of steps to log in and link your Google account with your Adax account. And once that is done, you're effectively set up. once you are set up, you actually have you can start using voice commands straight away. So I've created a room called Office, and my office heater is connected already. So if I click on that, it's currently turned off. If I issue a voice command, which I'll do now, you can see that the radiator will turn on. See, it's turned on. So after testing it offline without screwing it into the wall and setting it up, I've now drilled the holes in the wall and have mounted it. It's actually fairly easy. The template really helped. So you can see currently that it's on standby. The mounting bracket goes on the back and it clips on nice and easily. It's probably one of the most easiest things I've actually installed. Unfortunately, I don't have any sockets at the back to hide the cabling behind. If there was a socket, then it looked quite neat and clean. There's enough space there at the back to be able to plug in a socket. Okay, so I issued the OK Google command to turn on the office heating to 22 degrees. Now that's turned on. So it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to get warm. So at the moment, yeah, it's still cold, but it should be warming up shortly.